Unwin Quattro retractable wheelchair tie-downs can be used to secure the front or the rear of a wheelchair. It is available in plastic and metal cover with a choice of either carabiner, hook or tongue and buckle end fittings to fit any wheelchair model. Position the wheelchair centrally over the floor rail and apply the brakes. Place the pair of Quattro in front of the wheelchair. To fit Quattro into the rail, press down on the ribbed part of the ATF and push firmly towards the wheelchair until the yellow clip drops and locks into place. Press the yellow release button. Unfasten the tongue and buckle, attach to the wheelchair frame and reconnect the tongue and buckle. Press the yellow release button to take up the webbing slack and turn the tensioning handles towards the wheelchair until the webbing is taut. Install the second Quattro unit, ensuring that the position of this is parallel with the first, and repeat the procedure. A suitable rear tie-down must now be fitted. See relevant video. The front tie-downs must only be removed once the rear tie-down has been taken off. To remove the front retractable wheelchair tie-down, press the yellow release button. Unfasten the tongue and buckle, remove the strap from the wheelchair frame and guide the webbing into the Quattro cover reel. Lift the yellow plunger to remove the tie-down from the rail. Repeat with other side and store safely.